Hello guys, in this very special video we are going to fix 100% disk and CPU usage, and we will be also boosting the FPS so that you can play the games without any lag. So let's get started. Please make sure you watch the whole video, and if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button for more videos. So here in the start button you just need to do a right click and go to device manager. Now once the device manager is opened, we are looking for an option which says high precision event timer. So just select it, do a right click and disable. So once you click on disable, it will be disabled and we need to close this. Alright, now we are going to power options. In the search window, type POWER, power options. So you might get power sleep settings or edit power plan. So we will be clicking on power plan, edit power plan. So you can search that. Here you will see change adapter advanced power settings. So please click on that. Now since it's my work machine, so I'm not getting any option when I click here, but you guys will get the option adjust to high performance. So you need to select from here high performance and then click on apply and OK. Once this is done, close this. Now the fourth step, which we are doing is to open the task manager. So do a right click and go to task manager and go to startup. Now here in the startup, sort them to enable and disable all unwanted applications from here, and then go to performance tab. After restarting the machine, you will see the CPU usage will be way lesser than earlier. Hit the like button for this video and let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestion or issues. I will surely help you. I'll see you in the next video.